All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Challenger. It is the RT 5.7 liter HEMI. It's beautiful two-door. It's beautiful dark blue with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, stereo controls. Super nice. Only 13,000 miles on this vehicle. And best of all, minimum damage. Just go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks fantastic. Your front driver's rim. Let's take a look at this guy. What is this? Very minimum curbing, 3, about 6 inches. Check out your tire thread. Check out your tire thread, which is, looks to be about 8/32. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Rear driver's rim. Tire thread is at 8/32. And this rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. There's a powered seat. Your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Check it out. Boom. Turn on this bad boy. Sounds fantastic. Fantastic. Pull out the keys out of my pocket. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. Very nice. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You got an airbag light on. And a tire pressure on your mileage of 13,971. Looks good. It pretty much completes the tour. Open up the trunk. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks good. Nice wing. Of course, this is what your trunk space looks like. You got your back carpets here. This is what your does have a spare tire with some tools, and then you got your owner's manuals back there. Quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing, 3, 6 to 7 inches. Some more down here. I'd say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 5/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your back seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. It's cool. This fender looks good. Here's the front driver's front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have curving. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. And your tire thread is at 5/32 as well. That pretty much completes the tour. Let's see if these fog lights are working. That's right, fog lights are working, all lights are good. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Challenger RT model with 13,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.